Have you been finding that your espresso tamping has been inconsistent? We've got the quick fix for you today because we're going to be taking a look at spring-loaded tabletop tampers. We've brought in two examples, one from Maycap and one from Mazer. Now these are designed to produce an even tamp with the same consistent pressure every time by applying uniform and level pressure to the ground espresso in a portafilter. Now some of these tampers can twist at the ends of the tamp, such as the Mazer, and that will add a nice polish to your espresso tamp. Now, some of them don't add a twist at the end of the tamp, but it will still remain consistent. These types of tampers are great for high volume facilities where speed is of the essence, or even commercial food environments where ground coffee is desired over easy serving espresso pods. Now the biggest benefit is for places where there's a high turnover of employees or even some not so seasoned baristas in your place of business. Now for all you meticulous home baristas out there that like every factor of your espresso making to be precise, a spring-loaded tabletop tamper will be a valuable addition to your home espresso setup. As an additional note, if needed, for double or triple tamping in the same portafilter, raise the tamper handle to the top position before re-tamping. For most cases, any grease that's on the tamper, it can easily be cleaned with a dry cloth. Also, due to high tamping pressures, a slightly coarser grind might be needed. So we hope you learned a little bit more today about achieving a more consistent tamp using a spring-loaded tabletop tamper. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. Take a look at our description box for additional information, and don't forget to visit us at firstline.com.